Hey everyone, it's grocery haul day. Today we went to Walmart and Aldi, and I'm going to start with Walmart because it had the biggest items and these need to get to the freezer. So I have really been enjoying the Sam's Choice pizzas. It has a lot of white sauce options, which is great for somebody like me. Technically I'm not supposed to have any red sauce, but these Sam's Choice ones, these two right here, the sauce in it is not as acidic as some of the other companies, so I can have those. I cannot have DiGiorno anymore because the sauce has too much acid in it and too much tomato base in it, so I'm not able to have those, but I can have the Sam's Choice ones. But even if I couldn't, they have a lot of white sauce options. So I pick out the spinach Alfredo one. It's one of my personal favorites, and then the kids also picked out the Philly cheesesteak. And I had one of the kids with me, the other three were with somebody else, and so I just kind of randomly picked ones that we usually get, and it's 5 meat and supreme. Matt has been enjoying, I'm pretty sure, he hasn't said otherwise, has been enjoying these strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper, and the cream and the zero sugar. We normally prefer to have the bottled ones, but you can only, at our store, can only buy the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Strawberries and Cream in cans. So I picked him up a 12-pack of those. And also a 2-liter of Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, a 2-liter of Coke Zero Sugar, and also for our coffee this week, we have the Great Value Italian Sweet Cream and the Chocolate Caramel. Let me put Walmart away, and then I will show you Aldi. Moving on to Aldi's, my one freezer stock up for this week. I was wanting to do the toasted raviolis, but they did not have them in stock. So I bought 2 boxes of the corn dogs, which would be 2 corn dogs per person, 6 of them. And then I also bought 2 additional bags of the California medley, which is broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots together to put in our freezer for meal stock ups for the coming months. Also picked up 2 bags of the Asian seasoned medley, 2 bags of the broccoli stir fry. So that does make a total of 4 of the California medley. Casman vitamin D orange juice for those of us who do not like the churro orange juice for breakfast, and high pulp for those of us who do. These leper cones are a special treat that they have at St. Patrick's Day. It is mint and cocoa flavored ice cream on little cones. It's super cute. We decided to go ahead and splurge and do that this year. We've never had the extra funds to be able to do it before, but this year we do. So we're going to do it. 1 bottle of ranch, 1 jar of strawberry preserves. I normally do not buy the organic preserves from Aldi because I think they're expensive for what they are, but it is the only way to get raspberry preserves, and the only other store that I know that does raspberry preserves in our area is Kroger, and we don't have one within, like, I think the closest one is 45 minutes away, and the pickup is no longer available in our area. So I went ahead and did that, and it's just like a one-time thing for right now, and maybe eventually we could get back to where we could do Kroger's every couple weeks or something whenever we're in that part of town. I go through one of these brushes about once a year, and it's about that time of year. And so when I saw that Aldi's had them for slightly cheaper than Walmart normally does, I went ahead and picked one up. I think it was cheaper. I'll have to go back and compare my receipts from last year on Fetch. 1 dozen eggs, 2 of the Santa Fe style salads, one's for myself for lunch and 1 is for Matt. Dark chocolate pomegranates, these are really good. And then they also have the blueberry acai, also covered in dark chocolate. 1 battery change later, the banana chips are a pantry stock up, as well as another jar of the raw honey. Seem to go through it more in the spring with hot teas, with seasonal allergies going around. 3 cans of chicken and sausage gumbo for some cooler days coming up. And as it gets warmer, we probably will stop doing soup for lunches again. But for now, I wanted to go ahead and do at least 1 more of those and just easy lunch. 1 bag of the shredded, finely shredded sharp cheddar cheese. 1 bag of hash browns to make hash brown casserole. And last but not least, this will be with spoilers for our Sam's Club haul tomorrow. We picked up 2 boxes of the 4 count of the pork egg rolls to go with a dinner from Sam's. This week, most of my groceries actually came from Sam's Club, so please make sure you watch tomorrow's video for our Sam's Club haul. Thank you to all of our members for continually supporting our content. Thank you to all of you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.